Hey, what's up? So I just wanted to show you about RSI. So RSI is very simple to grab. You just press on the function button and then just type in RSI. Then you'll see this one here. Choose that one below. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you set your graph to a daily chain, a daily time. Then this is quite interesting here. So here is the strength is on 50, but notice it dropped down to like 29, but like the price didn't really change much. So from here all the way through to here we didn't really change much in price, but this was a really good indication that the price was going to drop down lower. So if you took your short here, after you saw that drop, you would have seen like a price increase, but eventually you would have had that nice drop of $200. So RSI is something good that you can use. Now also here's another indication. So notice here nothing is really going on, and then like the RSI jumped above say 70, right? And the price, you could see like the green flag here. Now you could have taken say a long here, then if you rode that long, eventually you would have seen that the price kept on going up all the way to here. You can still see the RSI is still strong above 70, and then once you start seeing the RSI start to dip below, consolidated a little bit here, then once it got below the 50, then you could have pulled your stock out, your crypto out. So RSI is something really good that you can use, as well as the candles, to determine the direction.